Hello and welcome to this What's New video on the B1 iPayment 2018.10 release. This is a big release for iPayment with lots of new features and improvements. In this video we will take a look at some of the new features and see how they work. First up we have a new gateway, Square, who are really starting to get into the SAP B1 market. Square will support most of the standard functionality iPayment has to offer, and additionally they offer a point of sale solution, opening up new and exciting features for our iPayment customers. Please note that this gateway is included as a preview feature for this release, but customers who are interested can go ahead and test it in their own setups. Another new feature to help customers when going live with iPayment is the Go Live checklist. Demo mode makes it very easy to test iPayment without even needing an account with your chosen gateway provider, but we noticed that some people were struggling when they had to go through the sometimes lengthy process of switching to live. The Go Live checklist will guide customers when switching from demo mode to live mode by showing a customized list for each gateway. This list will show the steps they need to take prior to switching to live mode. Each step has a golden arrow that leads to further information or an article on the gateway website where you can find relevant information for that step. In this version of iPayment, we've also made an entirely new scheduling system. This new scheduler uses the same filters as the batch processing wizards to help customers easily set up customer filters which are applied to their scheduled runs. For the scheduling part, we have aligned it with the scheduler from B1 usability package, so people familiar with B1 Up scheduler should feel right at home. It includes a number of options for scheduling recurrence as well as start and end dates. Next up are negative incoming payments. We've had requests to include an option to refund using a negative incoming payment rather than an outgoing payment. With iPayment 2018.10, this is now possible. The option is added to the configuration screen where the user will be able to configure refund behavior based on their reconciliation flow. Our next feature is notification for missing credit card mappings. We've noticed that users will sometimes receive errors due to missing credit card mappings. These errors typically occur when iPayment is trying to create payments in SAP, but will also often be associated with manual cleanup. With this new feature, we will try to bring these missing credit card mappings to the user's attention before it becomes a problem. When iPayment starts, it automatically checks whether the mappings are set, and in case some are missing, the user will be presented with the screen you see here. This screen will inform the user of the problem and allow the credit card mappings to be configured and saved directly on the notification screen. If the mappings are intentionally left out, it also includes the option of disabling future notifications. Next up is the option to not store credit card details. When adding a credit card, we store some cardholder information for display purposes only, but with the added focus on privacy, especially in Europe, we wanted to give our customers the option of not storing any personal data. In the iPayment configuration screen, you now have the option to turn off this behavior, as well as a button to clear any existing cardholder data you might have already stored. Instead of the cardholder data, the user will see a message in the first name column telling them that these data are not stored due to their configuration. For this release, we've made it possible to edit batch authorizations directly in the batch wizard. This is done by clicking on the edit icon, which will bring up our authorization screen. From here, the user can make changes to existing authorizations or add additional ones before batch processing the entry. The batch settlement wizard has also been reworked to work in the same way. That's all for this What's New session for iPayment 2018.10 release. The new version will be available on the iPayment download page from the 17th of October. The full changelog as well as links to the download page are available in the description box below. I hope you enjoy our new features and enjoyed watching this video. Thanks for watching.